Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make a new bracelet. So we're going to start off by adding 3 blue beads. Then to add the pink bead, we're going to take one end of the string and pass it through it from right to left, and we'll add the other string from left to right, and then we're going to pull it. After a start is made, we're gonna add 2 blue beads on each side, and then we're gonna add the pink bead in the same manner from right to left, one string, and left to right, another string. After passing the string, we're gonna pull the thread and our pattern will start to take its form. Just repeat the same pattern again, so our bracelet will be formed. 2 blue beads on each side, and then we'll pass the pink bead from right to left, one strand, and another strand left to right. When you reach the length of your bracelet, add single bead on each side, and then now we will pass our strand the same way we are passing a pink bead. This time we are going to pass it through our blue bead. We're going to pass one strand from left to right and another from right to left. Now that our strings are on the opposite side, we will have to pass one of the string through each of the bead so it meets another end of the string, so it becomes easy to tie the knot. I will now be passing my string from one blue bead, then pink, then another side of blue, so our string will be on the same side. While we are doing this, there are chances the other string might slip up and open, so it's better to use a paper clip so it holds the other string in its place and stops it from slipping. 2000 years later, when you finally realize that the concept of needle exists, please use it. It will make your work a lot easier. Now that both the strings are facing the same side, all we have to do is tie a nice secure knot. I am tying the knot by passing one of the string through the pattern so it becomes nice and secure. And then we're just gonna tie till we're satisfied, and then cut the excess off, and that's it. Your bracelet is ready. Ta-da! Hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY video of bracelet making. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. XO!